started her up. Transponder set to altitude. Radio is tuned and free. Listen to the ATIS. Okay, so we got the ATIS. We got Foxtrot. They're using runway 2. A few clouds. I can't say anything. Everything is clear. We're going to stay in the pattern today. We're going to do some practicing, and the cockpit's nice and toasty today. So I want to keep this window down. This is a equipment check, audio equipment, and cameras. Carbon monoxide detector going on. Brainard ground, good afternoon, Cherokee 7259 Foxtrot at the Hartford Jet Center with Foxtrot, ready to taxi with Foxtrot.
Number 7259 Foxtrot, Brainard ground, thank you, runway 2, taxi via taxiway Hotel and Alpha across runway 29.
Clear to taxi to runway 2 via Hotel Alpha, cross 29, 59 Foxtrot. There is a hold short marking coming up. Runway 2911 at taxiway Alpha. We are cleared to cross. All right, coming up to Alpha, holding short runway 2. All right, make sure my parking brake is set. Turn that off. I'm cleared. Parking brake off and I'm cleared. Brainard Tower, Cherokee 7259 Foxtrot, holding short runway 2 at Alpha. Like close traffic, please.
Number 7259 Foxtrot, Brainard Tower, runway 2, wind is calm, clear for takeoff, make right close traffic, report midfield.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, make right traffic, 7259 Foxtrot. All right, parking brake is off, I'm clear for takeoff. We're moving. Wind is calm.
Number 91 Golf, ready change approved, see you on the way back.
Yeah, now go.
All right, we're airborne. Altitude's alive. Looking for 79. We're at 150. Looks good. We're at 200. 75. Nose down. We're at 300. 79. 75.
Tower, Cherokee 55667 is inbound LDA runway 2, low pass 667.
Close this window so I'm not distracted.
667, Brainard Tower, continue inbound at 43 mile final.
All right, we're at 500.
Report 3 mile final.
70.
And we'd like to
Roger that, you can expect that.
expect the publishment 667.
Brainard Tower, Warrior 313, back, calling short 2, ready for departure.
We're at 600. Looking for 750 before we make the right turn.
Runway 2, clear for takeoff, 313, back.
We're at 700 now. Well, I'm going to start my right turn for my crosswind. Right crosswind. 800. Looking at the runway. 900. We're up to 1,000. Pitching down, nose down. Keep my airspeed up. We're at 1,000. See if I don't get it. All right, we're at 90. We're at 1,000. I'm going to trim the airplane. Looks good. At 1,000. Keep my RPM up. Gotta report midfield. No, I'm a little slow. Brainard Tower, Cherokee 7259 Foxtrot, midfield, full stop.
59 Foxtrot, runway 2, wind is calm, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 2, 59 Foxtrot. Alright, we are clear to land, runway 2. I'm a little high. I'll bring my power down. I see the numbers. I'm going to pass the numbers now. Power is 1500. 1 notch of flaps. Try to maintain this power setting. 1500. 950. 950 feet. We're at 80.
Go ahead.
You guys picking me up on ground?
We're at 900.
Cam 912,
I'm going to turn my
anything over on ground.
left for base. We're at 850. Second notch of flaps.
Taxi, Hartford jet over to the state ramp.
800.
Cam 912, Roger, you can taxi parking via Delta Alpha with me.
Second.
Okay, Delta.
Alright, full flaps. Full flaps. We're at 70. Coming into final.
Cam 912, if you could just do a radio check with ground real quick.
Yep, hang on.
Alright, we're at 70. We're high. Just stay calm. Try to keep my airspeed at 70. Trim down for 70. Reduce power.
I'm getting you guys calls.
70.
Cam 912, we have not heard anything over there. Thanks for the radio check. We'll check out with somebody else.
Okay.
We're at 60. Load power. Power's idle. Alright, we're braking. Brakes are on. We're going to pull off on Charlie. Flaps are still up.
59 Foxtrot, left 1 able, contact going off.
Left on Charlie, contact ground. 59 Foxtrot. Alright. Flaps are down. Stop here. We're going to
comfortable with a short approach?
Oh yeah, we'll take a short approach, 26 back.
switching over to ground. Alright. Mixture is lean. Electric fuel pump is off. Flaps is 0. Brainard ground, Cherokee 7259 Foxtrot. Clear runway 2 on Charlie. Like to taxi back to runway 2 for close traffic.
7259 Foxtrot, runway 2, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 29er.
Taxi to runway 2 via Alpha, cross 2959 Foxtrot.